How to switch back to personal account on Insta after this new update. So what you can do is go over to your Instagram and then click on your profile icon at the very bottom right corner. So click on the three lines at the top right corner, and then you'll see settings at the very first option. So click on that and go over to your account. So it's right here under ads. So you need to scroll a little bit down and then you'll see switch account type highlighted in blue. So click on switch account type and you can see here there is switch to personal account at the very bottom. So click on that, and as you can see, when you switch to your personal account, all the insights will be turned off from all your contents, including your ads, and it will be permanently removed. So if you want to continue, go ahead and click switch to personal account and your account will be switched, and just go out of Instagram, refresh it, and then open it again. And then you will have successfully changed to your personal account.